Hi, this is Chris. I'm in a different location right now. I'm on my coffee table. The sun is coming in low over from the west. Over here is about ready to set behind the mountains. But I just wanted to real quickly show you my December daily, which I started last year. I made this journal from a paper sack, and I'll try to find the video and put a link to that. And it has 3 signatures, so it has 1 signature for last year, 1 signature for this year, and 1 signature for next year. So because it's a paper sack, I cut it so it opens up, so there's 2 firm pieces right in the front, and I put in 2 pockets where I can put memorabilia, and then I put 2020, and then I just decorated the pages with different scrapbooking paper kits and embellishments. Some have journaling cards and some have tags. And what I did was I made tags like this, and it says here, today I am grateful for because. And so each day I fill out one of these and add it to my journaling for that day. So it's a cross between a December daily journal and a gratitude journal. And so the pages, these pages are similar to the other 2 signatures. I have here a bit of Edith Holden. This is from a children's activity book that gives a different activity for each day of each month of the year. Some music, some tea-dyed paper. This is a digital of an eco print that I made last year of maple leaves, and I printed lines on the back, just a piece of parchment-like paper, some different colored notebook paper, some ledger paper, a piece from the Edith Holden Garden Diary book, which is a good substitute. If you can't find Edith Holden's regular book, you might be able to find the Garden Diary book. And so the papers repeat, and then this is the other signature. And then with the back of the paper sack, you get the 2 different pages, but you'll also get what was the bottom of the sack that folds out and makes a folio. So in here I have some photographic Christmas cards that I'm saving. So I can stick those in there. And I have a little prompt list for ideas for gratitude listings. So there's home life, community life, creative life, personal life, outdoor and travel life. And I do have a kit on my Etsy shop that has the gratitude tags and the prompt list on it. So what I'm going to do first is put my numbers on here, 2021, and then I will do a page for the 1st and the 2nd. And then at the end of the month, I'll do a quick flip through. So I'll flip through here real quick. It's personal, so I won't stop. But you can see there's lots of different things that I have done in here. So the light is fading. It's actually darker for me than it is on the camera. So after I made the gratitude pages for myself, I decided to make a kit. And so if you're interested in doing a gratitude journal or adding a gratitude page or tag to your regular writing journal, this kit has full pages that you can make a gratitude journal out of. It comes in white, and it comes in printed on a digital tea dye paper that I dyed last year. It comes in half pages, so you can either make a large journaling card, or you could make these into pages in a smaller book. That also comes in the white and with a tea dye background. Then there's a large tag that comes in white and different tea dye backgrounds. There's a small tag that comes in white and several different tea dye backgrounds. There's a page here on keeping a gratitude journal with the prompts that I showed you in the back of my book. In my book, I cut them out like this. So there's prompts in there. And then there's quotes, so 50 gratitude quotes that you can cut out and paste in your gratitude journal. And then another 15 thoughtful quotes, and just a little bit about what the kit contains and how you can use it. And then I threw in a couple of eco-printed pages. This was a purple flower from my neighbor's garden, and it came out blue, but it's just a beautiful subtle blue and has this beautiful darkened edges. And the sun is about to set. And then here is maple leaves that I eco-printed last year, and this is a digital copy of that. So if that's something you would like to do, I'll leave a link to the kit in the description below. And you can make your own gratitude journal or add gratitude tags to your current journal. Thanks for watching and have a great day crafting. Bye-bye.